ባንተ ደምቆ ውርፍ እንዳላልኩኝ መሄድህውን ሲሆን መላዘብ ያጣሁ
messages for South Africa and the world ሁላችሁም ከታይ ሜንሽን ያስቀመጥኳቸውን አካውንቶችንም እዚህ ቪዲዮ ላይ ሜንሽን አድርጓቸው ሼር ሪፖስት አድርጉትም Why are Ethiopians being killed in a daylight, in a shops, in a street, in a place where they just trying to survive? This is not a crime anymore. This is xenophobia. This is injustice. This is inhuman. Ethiopians are not your enemies. They come to work, to build, to live with the dignity inside Africa. Let us not forget, during apartheid, Ethiopia stood with South Africa. Ethiopia supported the struggle. Ethiopians stood for freedom. Who trained Mandela? We Ethiopians did that. Today Ethiopians are being robbed, beaten and killed. And sometimes no one is held accountable. To the government of South Africa, your silence is being heard. Your inaction is being seen. So, we are not asking for a special treatment. We are asking just for a protection, for justice, for human life to matters. To the media of South Africa who I mentioned down here, ENCA, SABC News and other South African medias, please tell these stories. Ask the hard question. Today it is for Ethiopians, but tomorrow it could be anyone inside Africa or other. So stop the violence, stop killing innocent people. ሁላችሁም ኢትዮጵያውያን ሜንሽን ላደረኳቸው ሰዎችም ይሄንን እዚህ ኮሜንት ላይ ሜንሽን ያደረጋችሁ አልያም እነሱ ሚዲያ ላይ ሄዳችሁም ሜንሽን አድርጓቸው ስቶፕ እያላችሁም ኮሜንት አድርጉ